This video will briefly cover how you can set up and manage supplies. So these are typically non-food items such as delivery bags or meal containers. And I'll be showing you an example of how we can add utensils with each meal or with each order. So to start, I'm going to make sure that I select the correct prep date. So I'm going to change this from September 23rd to the 16th. And this is going to show that I need 3 delivery bags because I have 3 orders, and I need 7 meal containers because I have 7 meals. So I'm going to go ahead and add utensils. So we're going to click Add New. I'm going to type in utensils. Our starting quantity, I'm going to say that I have 200 in stock. And our price per unit, maybe we pay 10 cents per set of utensils, and click Add Supply. Now you'll notice right off the bat that it's letting us know that we have a quantity required of 0. So naturally, we want this to be able to dynamically update as we get orders. So we have 2 ways of going about this. The first quick way, but less convenient, is to go to a meal on our menu and go to the supplies tab and apply those utensils to this meal. But again, that would be time consuming because we would have to go through almost every meal. This might be more convenient if you have certain items that only come with certain meals. So we'll go back to our inventory supplies page. And what we're going to do is click Edit Supply Basis. And you can see we already have a supply basis set up for meal containers, 1 per item, a delivery bag, 1 per order, and with an item multiplier of 6. So what that means is we can only fit 6 bags, 6 items or meals in each delivery bag. So if an order has 8 items, it'll actually convert this to being 2 delivery bags to keep it more convenient so you have accurate counts. But we're going to continue on with our utensils and click Add Supply Basis. We're going to select our utensils, and we're going to say that we're going to give one of these with every meal. So I'm going to click Items. I could also choose Order or Package here, but let's go ahead and do Item. And when we click OK again, this will bring us back to our primary page. And you'll see that our utensils quantity has now updated to 7 to match our meal containers, because with every meal, we're going to be giving them a set of utensils. And furthermore, if we go over to our Items tab, make sure we have the correct date selected, we'll be able to see when we pull up one of our items that utensils are part of this meal cost. And we could see that with this, for this particular meal, which was ordered 3 times, it's going to be costing us 30 cents, and that's going to be taken into account when giving us our overall profit margins. And of course, we could see here that we are starting with 200 utensils, subtracting the 7, and we have 193 left, and the cost for this week was 70 cents.